Hi there, today we're checking out the COOLJOB gardening gloves set that includes 2 pairs designed for different tasks. The first pair features long sleeves and is made to be thorn-proof, perfect for rose pruning and handling prickly plants safely. The second pair is short with cushion padding and a secure Velcro strap, providing comfort and extra grip during detailed work. Both gloves are crafted with durable materials to protect your hands while maintaining flexibility and breathability. Whether you're tackling tough, thorny bushes or delicate garden chores, this set offers the right protection and comfort. The design focuses on preventing injuries while allowing precise movements for all your gardening needs. Upgrade your gardening experience with gloves that combine safety, comfort, and practicality. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.